Okowa went to the EFCC office in Lagos State, demanding for them to give him his passport so that he will fly out from Nigeria to go and receive treatment. Medical doctor for that matter, Okowa is a medical doctor. When Okowa was the senator representing Delta North, he was unable to build a well-equipped hospital in Delta North. He became the governor of Delta State. Okowa was still unable to build a well-equipped hospital in Delta North. As e be so Okowa no fit build good hospital for Delta North, he no fit build am for other places for Delta State. If the president of Nigeria go fit travel go outside country for medical treatment, who be Okowa wey no go want travel for medical treatment? This is to tell you how Nigeria is filled with failed politicians. Medical doctor for that matter, Okowa is a medical doctor. He no fit get treatment for Delta State. He no fit get treatment for Anioma land. If they call news, they go say, we have good hospitals in Delta State, we built this, we built that. Okowa no fit go FMC for Asaba to receive treatment. He won't go Borebo, go receive treatment. Can you imagine? Person where EFCC accused of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. He still get mad, they talk say he won't travel. EFCC suppose carry Okowa go court. Make them they talk the matter for there. The reason why be say EFCC not they talk Okowa matter na because EFCC is being controlled by APC. And Okowa is an APC member. The reason why Okowa left PDP for APC is to seek protection. And that's because he don't want to go to jail over the issue of that 1.3 trillion naira. If to say Okowa still there for PDP, by now APC for don't throw Okowa put for jail. Adams Oshomole accused Ifeanyi Okowa of diverting 350 billion naira. Those money are the ones where we hear where they talk say Okowa diverto. Talk more of the ones that we did not hear. If to say Nigeria as a country they function well, if to say the federal government of Nigeria is following the rule of law, Okowa supposed dey jail by now. What is delaying the case of Okowa? Medical doctor wey no fit take treatment for him own country. Imagine wetin we Anioma people dey pass through. Come Okwane land, we not get any good hospital. If our people for Okwane land dey sick, they gat go Urobo land for Eku to receive treatment. Now Urobo land, our people for Okwane land they go receive treatment. For Okwane land, we not get big hospital like FMC where they for Asaba. Yet some Okwane people are campaigning for Okowa. Person wey no fit give una hospital when he was the senator and the governor of Delta State. Now where he won't go back to the Senate, he go do all those things for una. Person wey get case for EFCC, they seek make EFCC give am passport, make he travel out. EFCC want they monitor am for that travel where they go. If they go that travel, are EFCC officers going to follow him to know what he is actually going there to do? Person wey be say they suppose carry in case they go court. Okowa wey be say in matter suppose dey court, they supposed to dey talk in matter. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue. Now so federal government of Nigeria they carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they go court. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not steal Nigeria money oh. Yet now so that they carry matter they go court. Today Nigeria government have sent him to life imprisonment. But Okowa where EFCC are accused of stealing 1.3 trillion naira, Okowa is still working freely. EFCC data say in case still the EFCC. What is that case waiting for? What is the case they wait for? APC government, what is that case waiting for? Since 2024 up till now, una not they talk the matter. The only thing where EFCC know how to do now to they arrest Yahoo boys. To they pack Yahoo boys. Go worry everywhere EFCC. Conkwale everywhere EFCC. Asaba EFCC. Everywhere EFCC. Now so you go see them wear red. They look for boys' house where they go bust. Take leg, they open young boys' house. Any young man where they arrest, now so they go give the guy placard, write the person name for fraudulent acts. Una go they said Yahoo boys they go prison. See Okowa case, una not fit do anything. Una they delay the matter because na politician he be, because he be APC member. This shows that EFCC is just a tool for oppression against politicians that is in opposite party. Now what una they do be that? Yahoo boys wey scam Oyibo for outside, una dey send them go prison. The one wey una talk say Okowa do, Okowa still dey work freely. Abi, una not verify the matter where before una accuse Okowa of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. Because before una go accuse Okowa of such, it means say una don make una findings. E show say 1.3 trillion naira miss from Delta State money. Una come talk say na Okowa take the money. Why are you people delaying the issue? Why are you delaying the process? The same way police people, the only thing they know how to do now to stand for road. They collect money from bike people, motor people, collect money from Yahoo boys. The same thing where police officers they do for Southeast, South and for Southwest by collecting money. Yet police officers are not go fit go find bandits and terrorists inside bush. Because they fear bandits and terrorists. Because bandits and terrorists are politically sponsored. Now that same thing where police they do. Now EFCC can't they do. You are only good in arresting Yahoo boys. See Okowa issue. Why are you people delaying the case of Okowa? Medical doctor when of it receive treatment for him own country. Medical doctor when of it receive treatment for him own states. You get case for EFCC. A case where we say EFCC accused you of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. Yet, APC, they allow you contest for election. Nigeria is a failed country. Ishegwale.